All right, welcome. Good morning again. Okay, today, so let's quickly look at the market and actually see how you actually take your analysis on the for any pair. So this volatility 7 to 5, and just like I've always been saying, you want to first of all check on higher time frame. So this one now, so let's go to daily. Let's know what the market is really doing. So according to our daily now, you can see obviously daily have shown you what is happening on lower time frame, that the market is sideways. However, even though it's sideways, there is higher pointer to a sell than a buy. Okay, at this point, so you can always leverage on to actually capitalize on it, to actually sell within the ranging points if you see a good setup. Also, if you go to weekly, if we switch here from daily to weekly, you can see now that that confirms more of our doubt that the market have higher tendency to push down and sell than to buy. So having seen that we have that, you want to come to lower time frame to actually see your opportunity. And this is where we have the weak rejection candle for the 1 hour candle that just passed. And from there we have the next candle that is selling. So from there you can actually start selling and looking for your opportunity. So if you go to lower time frame now, you can see weak rejection on lower time frame, a sell candle, and from here you have your first opportunity to sell, even though it's short. So you're going to actually TP either at where the market is currently or the previous low that we have here, and wait for the market to get there. So currently, if you have taken the trade, you would have been in profit, and you will be waiting for another opportunity, or that it hits your take profit, then you go to the next trade. So you want to relax your mind now. So you will go to the next instrument, and just like we have been saying, it's not ideal that you trade all the instruments. Select few instruments that you want to be trading, but we'll be actually be going through virtually all of them in category now. So I've done fix 75, so I will be doing uh the category of step index. I will do step index. I will do one jump, which will be jump 75, and I'll move on. So this step index. So if you are to look at step index now on higher time frame, daily time frame, we can see that this market is, even though the market is a sell trend, then we're already having the market instead of, we have a break of structure though that actually make the market to start going down, but that also is a great opportunity to actually wait. If we see the market push up again, which like we have currently, we will look for opportunity for a buy and not sell. Now this look complicated but not complicated. So if you come to higher time frame now, you can see noise, and you can see that the market at this level, there is already a change of character. The market was actually going down, breaking the previous low and going more than before. But instead of actually going down now, you see the market turning from a sell, which will be breaking the previous low and forming another low, to a case where you now have a complete new direction. So the market starts in an uptrend now, so which actually give us a change of character. And from here, you'll be looking forward to actually buy. Nothing stopping you to actually take your buy at this level now. The market has broken out, retested, and from here you have taken your trades. You expect the market to buy. It's just as simple as that. So this step index today, let's see how step index will go. So we can decide to just buy step index, and probably before the end of this video we have some results. So let's move to jump, just like I promised, jump 75. So we are on jump 75. We want to look at it on higher time frame. Simple, don't complicate the whole matter. So on higher time frame, just like we have had earlier before, we have seen the market actually, you know, going down to actually break the existing structure and continue, giving a continuation downward, continue downward. But in this case, we actually have a change of character. The market is no longer a sell trend, it's turning completely to an uptrend. And since we have seen it, that we have a candle that actually failed, which was yesterday, it would try to sell and then end up like a buy. So that gives us a higher chances of a buy. So we narrow down to what do you call it, 4 hours. Then we're looking forward for a buy. So we want to come to lower time frame, and here we actually have it. So ideally, it's good to actually wait for the market to actually break above this structure, then retest it, then you will actually buy all the way up here. So there's no entry for jump 75 yet. That will be waiting. So if we actually move away from there and go to boom and crash. So this is boom 1000. Let's see. All right. You can see the market actually continue downward. And already we have the market breaking above here. But don't be deceived. The market fails. It doesn't actually succeed. This is very important. The market could have actually break out of this zone, this region, and actually have a retest around here and go up. But you see the market coming back within this region back again. Just like something that broke out from a ranging level, then went all the way down, return back. It's a simple breakout and retest. So at this level now, you can start taking a sell on boom and expect it to go more down. Okay, and your stop loss will actually be, your take profit one will be here, and your stop loss will actually be here. Now this now where it's very important to note. If you notice this trade now, the stop loss is wider than the take profit, which will either make me not to take the decision or just open it and put it at the right place of the take profit, then take the risk, since the markets will still come all the way down to this level. If we go to lower time frame, weak rejection, many people would have set their stop loss here, and sometimes that's why they get hunted out. So they will set their stop loss here, a little bit above here. Not that they will be wrong most of the time, but few times market can just go up, take them out before the market eventually plays out. So I want to actually return my stop loss to here, which will be the correct level. When I was setting on 4 hours, I did not set it at the correct level. So since this is the previous high, so we actually have this, and that is what we expect on boom 1000. Which other one? We talk about boom, we talk about volatility. I think that's all. So we can just choose 51S for the 1S category, which is highly volatile. So 51S has been sell. Okay, it has been sell, and currently I was not in trade. I have given trade on VIP multiple times. So this one now, there's no reason to actually be going there. There's no reason. Currently, there's no entry. So we'll be waiting for a pullback for the sell. Then we'll take advantage of it. Anybody that wants to sell should have sell when this candle want to start. If you go back to this, you see it here now. That already you have the market breakout from the zone. So you have this breakout here. The market come all the way down. Then the market retested the area. Then you would have taken your trade at any point from here. If you are sniping, if you are not sniping, you would have taken your trade here, set your stop loss here. Then by now you would have hit your piece, take profit here. So just like I said, there's no entry. it's too late to enter a sell now. Yesterday was Sunday, so I could not actually give trade. Now, this June 26th, there's going to be something wonderful by July, which is going to be when our copy trading will start. But something beyond copy trading will also be available for those who are interested, which is actually going to be open for only 20 people. And that is actually a pool of funds together, which is going to be $100 per slot. Now, this is not, I need to also say this in forex trading. Many of the time, the reason why retail traders lose their money is that they get so much attached to money. They don't want to lose, so they lose. The fact is that there is risk involved in trading, but we want to actually weigh risk before we go ahead and do anything. And that is what we will be considering for those who are interested in this. So what we will be doing is funding the account with that $2,000 generated from that 20 people and taking trade with proper risk management, exposing the account for every singular trade to a maximum of 5% risk per day. Now, this is not just for a singular trade, it's a 5% max risk per day. Now, the beauty of it also is that once we are making it up to 20 to 50% of the account, we are going to actually make withdrawal and share among everybody. Now, how long it's going to take, we don't know. How many pairs we're going to actually be trading is going to be focused on only 4 pairs. Volatility 75, volatility 51s, jump 75, and if we see opportunity on step index, we'll be considering it. For now, I would have added volatility 100, but volatility 100 is not that volatile currently, so the risk may be high compared to the reward that you are looking forward to there. So we'll put it on hold. So that will be the 5th consideration when the market start trending. Now, this we actually the account will keep running for as long as we actually in unison that we agree together. But this you need to understand. When you're actually putting fund, calculate risk. We'll be careful. It will be transparent. You will see everything that is being done. So, but must be something that you already calculate and plan ahead, which is very important for you. So if anybody is interested, message me. The opening will close. It's going to be open between this 26th to 30th. By the end, which is going to be on Friday, there's not going to be opening for anybody again for July. And once you miss that, you have missed it. You can take advantage of our copy trading. You can take advantage of other stuff that we actually offer for you. VIP is also still available, which today, if you are privileged to actually take hold of the VIP today, you are going to benefit from now to the month of July at just $25 instead of $30 in a month. So you are going to enjoy beyond a month for $25. But if you miss, it's open anytime. You can subscribe to VIP for just $30 in a month. Now, some people ask me a question like, what if I subscribe later, like on the 5th, on the 10th, on the 15th? The reality is that whether you subscribe on 20, except we are giving discount, it's going to be to the end of the month for the amount, which is $30. But one thing that is sure is that with proper risk management, when you do it, you're going to be very, very profitable. You are going to end up being highly profitable. That we can assure you. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Many people have been saying, why am I not doing video? So I've resumed doing video for you guys. Okay, if you love it, please click on like and subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber before. I'll see you.